Hello everyone, this is my car Changan CS75. I got it few months ago. Its headlamps are full LED, as you can see. However, the fog lamps are halogen, like yellow, which doesn't look very good combination with the white LED. So I decided to change it, but I couldn't find any video or any guide how I can change it. So I'm making this video for you guys if you want to change these fog lamps. Initially, I didn't think that it will be that easy. I thought maybe I need to open up the bumpers and to reach the lamps to change it. But it was quite easy, and maybe every one of you should change it considering how beautiful it looks. So this is a small video how it will look at the end. As you can see, both lights are same color. I got these LEDs from AliExpress.com. It is very cheap compared to the market. I got it in $20. The LEDs has aluminium body and there is a little fan in the back. I ordered with the canvas controller, as you can see, but I'm not sure if it was required for Shenzhen or no, but I just ordered with it. Remember to get 6000K color drive H11. The light is on. I will turn it off. Okay, you need to reach the lamps. It's very easy actually. Here you go. I got it. You need to move it anti-clockwise, and here you go. And here you can see it is H11 12 volt. You need to order the same H11 and don't forget that one. And I will try to replace it. Okay, I got the light, and you just need to align with the connector and push it. Here you go. Okay, now I will try to plug it in the same spot. You need to move a little bit clockwise and just move a little bit until you get the right position to plug it in. Here you go. I will just turn it on. It's you can compare with the halogen on the left side and this one. It's very bright and looks very good. Okay, let's turn it off and I will try to change the other one. It's not far, it's like the same. I will try to reach it there. Okay, I think I got it. Okay, the wire is a little bit short on this side. You need to push the same clip to remove the halogen, and the other one you can just plug it in the same way we did to the other side. I'll just turn on the light. Yeah, see how bright it is. The white color, it's very bright. In the day also you can see. And this is the fan. And you need to put it there in the same spot and move it little bit clockwise. Just move slowly and you will get the spot where you should push it. Okay, it's almost there. Just move clockwise and fix it. Okay, it's done as well. I will turn on the light and let's see how it looks like. Both are working, it works very well. You can close up the... It looks very good actually. Let me show you how it looks like with the headlights turned on. It's a bright day actually. You might not be able to see the brightness that much, but it looks very good. The color of the headlights and fog lights, it's same, and it looks beautiful. I'm keeping the original lamps, halogen lamps, and the same box where the LEDs came. So this is the final version. You can see the fog lights are on, it's very bright. I will turn on the headlights as well. It looks very beautiful, the same color. Subscribe to my channel. I will be making some videos if I make new modification in my car. Goodbye.